Hello, friends. Welcome to Milo's Learning World. I'm Milo, your friendly little learning buddy, and today we are going on the most wonderful learning adventure. In this episode, we are going to learn so many exciting things together. We will meet a fluffy dog and a cozy cat. We will learn about a yummy red apple and the bright, warm sun. We will splash with colorful fish and sip from a polka dot cup. We will bounce a ball and wish upon a twinkling star. Are you ready to learn with Milo? Let's start. Clap your hands if you are ready. Clap, clap, clap. Here we go. Let the learning begin. Look at this. What do you see? It's a dog. Dog. Can you say dog? Say it with me. Dog. Dogs are wonderful animals. They have 4 legs and a wagging tail. When a dog is happy, it wags its tail. Wag, wag, wag. Dogs say woof, woof. Can you say woof, woof, woof? Dogs love to play and run in the park. They love cuddles and belly rubs. Dogs are called man's best friend because they are so loyal and loving. This dog is golden and fluffy. Let's say dog one more time together. Dog, dog, dog. Great job. Woof, woof. You learned your first word today. What is this? Look carefully. It's a cat. Cat. Can you say cat? Say it with me. Cat. Cats are wonderful animals. They have soft, fluffy fur and a long, swishy tail. Cats say meow. Can you say meow? Meow. Cats love to purr when they are happy. Purr, purr, purr. Can you make a purring sound? Purr. Cats love to nap in warm, sunny spots and curl up in a little ball. This cat is orange and white with stripes. Striped cats are called tabby cats. Aren't they beautiful? Let's say cat one more time. Cat, cat, cat. Meow, meow, meow. You are doing so amazing. Look at this. What is it? It's an apple. Apple. Can you say apple? Apple. Apples are delicious fruits. Fruits grow on trees in gardens and orchards. This apple is red. Red, red, red. Can you say red? Red. Apples can also be green or yellow, but this one is bright, shiny red. When we bite into an apple, it goes crunch, 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 crunch. Can you make a crunching sound? Crunch. Apples are very healthy. They have vitamins that help us grow big and strong. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Let's count. 1 apple. Can you hold up one finger? 1 apple. 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 Yummy, yummy. Look up high. What do you see? It's the sun. Sun. Can you say sun? Sun. The sun is a giant ball of fire way up in the sky. It gives us warmth and light every single day. Without the sun, everything would be dark and cold. We love the sun. The sun is yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow. On sunny days, we go outside to play. We wear sunscreen to protect our skin and sunglasses to protect our eyes. The sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. That is how we get day and night. Let's say sun, 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 sun. Bright and warm, the golden sun. Hooray for sunshine. Look at this. What is it? It's a fish. Fish. Can you say fish? Fish. Fish are amazing animals that live in the water. They swim by moving their fins and their tails. Swish, swish, swish. Can you wiggle like a fish? Wiggle, wiggle. Fish breathe underwater through their gills. Isn't that amazing? We breathe air, but fish breathe water. Fish can be all different colors, blue and orange and yellow and green. This fish is very colorful. It swims in the big blue ocean. Oceans are huge bodies of salty water. Fish love to swim and explore. Let's say fish. Fish, fish, fish. Splish, splash. The little fish swims. Wonderful job, friends. What is this? Look, it's a cup. Cup. Can you say cup? Cup. We use cups every single day. We drink water from cups. We drink juice from cups. We drink milk from cups. Cups help us stay hydrated. This cup has polka dots. Polka dots are little round circles. Red dots and blue dots and yellow dots, all different colors. So pretty. Hold up your hands like you are holding a cup. Good. Now pretend to take a sip. Sip, sip, sip. Ah, that tastes so good. Drinking water is very important for growing big and strong. Healthy bodies need water. Let's say cup, 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 cup. Sip, sip, sip. Great job. You are so smart. Look at this. What is it? It's a ball. Ball. Can you say ball? Ball. Balls are so much fun to play with. We can bounce balls. Boing, boing, boing. We can roll balls on the floor. Roll, roll, roll. We can throw balls in the air and catch them. Catch. This ball is red and blue. Two colors. Can you find something red near you? Red. And something blue? Blue. Balls come in all sizes. Big balls and tiny little balls. Round and round and round. When we play with balls, we run and move our bodies, and that keeps us healthy and strong. Let's say ball, 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 ball. Boing, boing, boing. Great bouncing friends. Look up in the sky. What do you see? It's a star. Star. Can you say star? Star. Stars are tiny lights that twinkle in the night sky. They look small because they are very, very far away. But really, they are huge, just like our sun. Our sun is actually a star. At night when the sky gets dark, the other stars come out to say hello. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Can you wiggle your fingers like twinkling stars? Twinkle, twinkle. Stars are magical and beautiful. We make wishes on shooting stars. Close your eyes and make a wish. Did you make a wish? Let's say star, 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 star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. You are a shining star. Hooray, hooray, hooray! We did it. You are so amazing. Today with Milo, you learned 8 wonderful words. Let's remember them all. Can you say dog? Dog. And cat? Cat. Apple. Apple. Sun. Sun. Fish. Fish. Cup. Cup. Ball. Ball. And star. Star. You remembered them all. You are such a wonderful learner. Every time you learn something new, you get a little bit smarter. Keep asking questions. Keep watching and listening. Keep learning every single day. Learning is the best superpower in the whole world. Milo is so proud of you. Give yourself a big hug. Hug, hug, hug. Come back and watch again. Bye-bye, friends. Milo loves you. See you next time on Milo's Learning World.